Welcome to Brain Training. Task: how can you cut a pie into 8 equal parts using only 3 cuts? You will have 15 seconds to solve this puzzle. If you're ready, let's begin. Solution: cutting a pie into 8 equal parts with just 3 cuts is possible by combining vertical and horizontal cuts. Here's how. First cut: slice the pie vertically through the center to divide it into 2 halves. Second cut: make another vertical cut perpendicular to the first one, splitting the pie into 4 equal pieces. Third cut: cut horizontally through the middle of the pie, dividing each of the 4 pieces into 2, resulting in 8 equal parts. Congratulations if you found the answer on your own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more brain-teasing challenges.